Hey diggers, Gabriel Millen here, and today I'm back with another unboxing video. This one I have, as you can see by this right here, this is the Galaxy Buds. I know it's not going to focus. You can't really see it, but this is the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I'm going to be unboxing this, which you're probably gonna see it soon. Let me just, yeah. Now, if you've seen any of my other unboxing videos, I usually, go through and just open it and whatnot. I usually just will edit it or whatever. I won't even edit it, is what I meant to say. But I feel like I should just, not do that this time. And I'm having so much issues. I always have issues with unboxing videos. I don't have like an actual camera setup or anything. It bless you. Okay, bye. But all right, let's see what all this comes with. Here's packaging stuff, more packaging stuff. Ooh, a letter. All right, that's cool. Is that it? Ooh, make sure my stuff. Yep, my stuff is on it. There we go. That's it with that letter. I'm gonna set it that way so y'all can't see it. But they put it in upside down. That's awesome. Dude, these things look different. They actually look different than the originals, I've noticed. It's got that sleek design. Of course, my phone just loves not focusing. There you go. It's got that sleek. I don't know what to call it, but let's see what else. What's on the bottom? It says 11 hours playtime, two-way speakers for rich sound. I'm not sure what it means. Yeah, there's 3 mics, and it also has the wireless charging, but that was what the original 2. It's got AKG sound. I hope they did good with the, what does that say? Use with a smartphone and tablet running Android 5 or higher, and RAM of 1.5 gigs. Huh. All right. I'm going to. All right. Let me set this down right here, and refocus it. There we go. See if I can do this pretty easily. Probably not. I never able to. All right. Give me a second. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna take these and lift this up. Boom. Wow, the case looks different. It's like it's not like matte black, it's actually shiny, and it already has a mark on it right there. That is not from me. That's literally just been there. Okay, it's gone now. But here's the comparison. You can see it's a different style case. Let's see, what's this? It's probably the wingtips and all that. Let's get this out first. Well, if I can, there we go. Okay, so it came with a charging cable. That's good to know. And I'm assuming that's the wingtips and all that stuff. I don't really want to take any of this out. So that's what's in that. All right, let's see. Wait, come on now. All right, let's get these out. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I think that's more weight than it's a little bit heavier actually than the originals. That's an interesting, really thing. I don't know how to take it off. I've never seen this before. All right, let me try taking this tape off. Well, I almost got it off. As you can see, it's not all the way off yet, and I just realized I can just do this. Boom, done. Oh wow, that has a texture to it. That is weird. I don't know how to feel about it simply because it'll be in my pocket all the time. It'll probably get super scratchy. But it's got USB-C still. It's weird how it's made like this. You can see that it has the LED light on it. And here's a comparison again. The text is different like it is in the picture. You can see it a little bit better simply because the way it is, because you can't really see it that well on here. It's black instead of whatever white that is. And I guess now I'll open them up and see if my phone will probably connect to it automatically and cut me off. Alright. This is so hard to do with one hand. Oh, it's green and red light and a green light. Looks like they're fully charged. Awesome. Nope, maybe not. Okay, maybe. Hello? I think it's trying to connect to the Bluetooth, actually. Alright, let me try setting it up real quick. Alright, so I'm screen recording now, and as you can see, I got it all set up already. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Plus. Yes, I'm gonna do this because the old Galaxy Buds had issues whenever I first got them. Stay in touch with your surroundings. Ambient sound lets you hear what's going on around you. Set it up in the Galaxy Wearable app. Yeah, I've used that on the original Buds. Got it. You're all set. Alright, let's see what kind of settings this has. Ooh, look at that, dude. It literally has a case on it. Or it has the case on it, 63%. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's just the same. Huh. Well, this is interesting. Case battery level. This is a lot more information than pairing with the phone or tablet. If you already paired your earbuds with the phone or tablet, just open the charging case to connect them again. If they don't connect automatically, or if you want to pair with a new phone or tablet, put on your earbuds, then touch and hold your... Wow, that's pretty cool. I hope it's recording my voice. It's got a new version. Yeah, I'll update it in a second. Normal bass boost, soft dynamic, clear treble boost. Alright, so I'll definitely look into most of these. This dang cat, dude. No, I don't want any of these. Touchpad. I use my right for ambient sound and my left for the voice command. Alright, cool. Advanced. Use ambient sound during call. No way! Dude! Heck yeah! Find my earbuds, general. There's not very many settings at all. Alright, so I'm gonna update these, and I will probably make another video on, like, comparison of the old and the new buds later on after I, compare them and all that stuff. So I went ahead and did a comparison of the original Buds and the new Galaxy Buds Plus, and I'm a little bit surprised. I don't know, I haven't actually listened to it in my actual headphones, but I heard it through my phone using the Galaxy Buds Plus, and I think the originals actually sounded better. Here, I'll go ahead and play it like right now. This is what it sounds like with the original earbuds. This is what it sounds like with the Buds Plus. So yeah, I find that a little bit interesting, honestly, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I probably will come out with another one, like in real world scenarios, and how I think about the new Buds, the Galaxy Buds Plus, and I guess I will see you guys later. Just put I'll have like 5 likes, and I'll probably do a comparison and all that. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.